Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Do Bonsai. We're down at Greenwoods today and we're bringing in a special guest. We've been invaded by the American contingent and well, let's just go and say hello, shall we? Mr. Nate and his good lady. How are you?
Great, happy to be here. Nice to meet you.
You've been on a bit of a trip round, haven't you?
We did the cruise of the British Isles. We've seen a little bit of everything. It's beautiful, beautiful country. We've enjoyed every minute.
Brilliant. And now we're at Greenwoods. I think Nate has seen more than a lot of British citizens have seen in their lifetime. Always happens. Should we get in there and have a look around? I know you're eager to look at the pots and see what trees are in there, and
ready to do it.
Load those cases up with more and more goodies.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Goodness.
Like a kid in a candy store.
Cindy, did you bring the Visa card?
So Nate and Cindy have been over for how long? 3 weeks? Two weeks?
About 18 or 19 days.
18 or 19 days. It's coming towards the end of their journey, so a little interception by myself here just to meet them at Greenwoods, and then I think later on we're going to nip up to Sherwood Forest. A dragon pot. We liking that one?
Liking that a lot. Always wanted one. To get one from here would be quite special.
Watch this space. Hope you've got plenty of space in that case of yours.
I have no space, but I will make space.
Is there such a thing as too much choice?
I'm dumbfounded. I'll take one of those, and one of those, or two of those. Just beautiful. So nice.
Always a great selection of pots, as well as everything else here at Greenwoods.
There he is.
Yeah, that's the main man himself. Unfortunately, he's up in Scotland today doing a demonstration, so he did pass on his apologies to not be able to be here to meet with us and have a chat. But
Missed him by that much.
Duty calls.
That's right.
So these are some of Corin's own trees. He did a demo in here the other day, a beginner's class, and they've not taken them out of the workshop yet. They normally go around the back and out the way.
Absolutely amazing.
And lucky for us, he's left them in.
A hemlock. I got it wrong the first time.
Honesty. It's a nice juniper, that, isn't it?
It's just...
Bit of something for Blue Jay.
There you go. This reminds me of Dan's trees because he has a lot of things that are down and showing a lot of distress. Very beautiful. Here, we'll help him. Oh, yeah. I like these boxes. It's clever. Take a picture of the design. I could probably make that.
Show everybody how it unlocks. That's taken the magic away from people.
There. This is just too hard to believe. White pine, right? White pine. I have a Japanese white pine at home, but it's not like this.
What's the asking price on that then? 2,500.
Just 2,500.
Yeah. The decimal point along a couple of bits would be fine.
Cindy doesn't mind staying.
So which one really caught your eye then?
Not the prettiest tree, but I love twin trunk trees. I don't know exactly why, but I just like these. And this one's quite reasonable at, I think it was, yes, $17.50. Maybe I could have a cone.
So we've got 850 that way and 900 the other way.
And it's bearing cones, so that's nice. It's a little disheveled, but I don't know. This is the one that
It's
I really...
a project.
Yeah, it is. It's a little less styled, and so you could do something with it. Maybe. It's probably far beyond my capabilities, but I could see it exactly where it would sit on my property.
It's a shame it's on the wrong continent.
It is. I had to drive across America for this, but that's okay. We have pictures, we'll enjoy it.
Brilliant.
So I use stones to mark the front of my pots. In each place we've stopped, I've picked up a stone to mark some of my pots. So now I have a Greenwood stone.
You have a Greenwood stone.
Hopefully
Excellent.
they don't mind.
I'll not tell them.
Okay. Hello?
Sure they don't. Sure they don't watch my
Hello?
channel.
Yes.
It's a poorly looking Sabina. So we've made it to Sherwood Forest. Nate's just enjoying the major oak. The poor major oak doesn't look very well nowadays. I know they were trying to keep it alive. They were drilling down into the soil the last time I was here a few years back. It doesn't look like it's put out any growth this year. All the supports are in place. But yeah, it doesn't look too good. Potentially some growth around the bottom of the tree there. But yeah, the big fella's struggling.
Well, we've done some engineering trying to help it.
Yeah, they've supported it for a number of years.
A lot of cables.
You used to be able to, many years ago, this wasn't fenced off and people used to be able to go in and get inside the tree.
Carve their names on it.
Yeah, obviously people over the years carved their names, initials and everything.
I overheard you then. I hacked it when I was 20.
Yeah, you were in there.
Yeah, when I was about 20, so come back again.
Yeah, it's been fenced off for a number of years now.
Yeah. Well, it's going to last us out, isn't it?
It'll stay up
It'll
for long
stay up.
enough,
Yeah.
but I think the old fella's dead.
Yeah.